Hello friends! Right now we are going to show you top 3 water dental flosser teeth pick, if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Number 3. The COSLUS Water Dental Flosser Teeth Pick is a convenient and effective oral care tool that makes flossing simple at home or on the go. Its portable cordless design and 300 milliliter water tank are perfect for travel, so you can keep your smile fresh even when away from home. The rechargeable battery means no cords to worry about, and the IPX7 waterproof rating makes it safe to use and clean without stress. I found it easy to handle, and the water pressure did a great job removing food particles between teeth and along the gum line. It feels gentler than traditional string floss, but still very thorough, which is great for everyday use. The sleek white finish looks nice on a bathroom counter or in a travel bag. Overall, the COSLUS C20 is a reliable, portable, and user-friendly electric flosser for better dental hygiene.
Number 2. The COSLUS Excellent Water Flosser for Teeth Cleaning is a powerful and user-friendly tool that makes daily oral care easier and more effective. With 12 pressure settings and 2 modes, it adapts to a range of needs, from sensitive gums to braces and orthodontic work, giving personalized comfort and cleaning power. The 600 ml water tank is generous, so you can floss longer without frequent refills, and the patented storage keeps jets neatly organized and hygienic. It comes with 5 jet tips, making it ideal for families or multiple users. The design is easy to handle and simple to operate, even for beginners. I noticed a real difference in how clean and fresh my mouth felt after each use, especially around hard-to-reach spots. Overall, this green COSLUS model offers excellent performance, convenience, and value for home dental care.
Number 1. The COSLUS Advanced Water Flosser for Teeth is a versatile and efficient tool for improving oral hygiene at home. With 2 modes and 12 adjustable pressure settings, it's easy to customize the experience, whether you have sensitive gums, braces, or just want a deeper clean. The variety of pressure levels lets everyone in the family find a comfortable and effective setting. It comes with 5 interchangeable jet tips, making it convenient for multiple users without sharing nozzles. The ergonomic design and simple controls make daily use quick and easy. I especially like how well it cleans hard-to-reach areas between teeth and around orthodontic appliances. The water flosser feels gentle yet thorough, leaving your mouth feeling fresh after every session. Overall, the COSLUS E2 is a solid choice for anyone looking to enhance their dental care routine with a reliable, family-friendly device.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.